Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and for today's video we are going to discuss about infix to postfix and prefix conversion. So first and foremost, let us review the four rules of conversion. So first is the priorities of operators. So in this rule number 1, we have the exponent as the highest, the multiplication division is the next highest, while the addition and subtraction is the lowest priority of operators. For our rule number 2 is there is no two operators of the same priority can stay together in one stack. Rule number 3, lowest priority cannot be placed before highest priority. And the last rule is any element inside parentheses will be popped. So these rules will be discussed further and will relate this also to our example in the preceding discussion. So let's move on to infix notation. So first, let us identify what is notation. So notation is the way to write arithmetic expression. Let's proceed to infix notation, or as considered as LOR, or the left operand operator and right operand. Or we could also say that operand operator operand. So it's visible that our operator in infix notation is used in between two operands. So infix notation, operators are used in between operands. So this is our common expression or the basic example. So the letter A is the operand, addition is the operator, and the B is our operand. So I hope that this infix notation is clear, because this is also our basis to convert expression to postfix and to prefix. So in short, infix notation is any expression which ang operator naasa between two operands. So this is the syntax: operand, operator, and operand. So now let's move on to infix to postfix conversion, or the LRO, meaning left operand, right operand, operator. So this conversion, the operators are written after the operands. Post, so that's why they called post, means after. So all the operators are written after all the operands. So this would be the basic syntax: operand, operand, operator. So its common expression would be the same sa katong gi-provide nako nga example sa infix notation, which is A plus B. So if i-convert to nato as postfix notation, this would be the answer: AB plus. As you can see, dapat ini-convert na to atong operator. If mag-convert og postfix, atong operator is ma-right after sa atong operand. So here our basic syntax: operand, so the first operand or the left operand is letter A, the second operand is letter B, and our operator is plus, which is written after the two operands. So to further analyze that concept, I have here another two examples. So first, let us answer this one. So in this example, makita na to ang relationship sa katong rules nga ako ang gi-discuss earlier. So A times B divided by C. Let us solve why we come up with the answer. So here is the table. We have symbols for stack and for postfix. So, this symbol, diri na to ibutang ang tanan natong gigamit mapa-operand, mapa-operator, tanan na to gigamit sa ato ang expression, diri na to ibutang. While sa stack, this is only, diri na to ibutang ang atong mga operators nga gigamit na to sa atong expression. And the postfix is the operands nga gigamit na to sa atong expression. So, let's start with the parenthesis. Ato siya gibutang diri sa symbol. Then, parenthesis is also considered as operator. So, that's why gibutang po na to siya sa stack. So, wala pa tayo gibutang sa postfix since kaning parenthesis dili man siya pwede ibutang sa postfix. So, next would be symbol letter A. So, sa letter A, gibutang nato siya sa symbol. So, of course, letter A is our operands. That's why gibutang nato siya sa postfix. And then sa stack will remain parenthesis kay wala pa man tayo na-add niyang elements. And next symbol is multiplication. Then gibutang nato siya sa symbol. And then since this is operator, we would put the multiplication sa stack row. And then so mag-update na tag element. So from parenthesis na siya multiplication. And then, postfix will remain, since wala tayong na-add na elements. So, A radya po na siya. The next symbol would be letter B. Letter B is postfix. That's why, na-update na to ang elements nga nasa postfix. So, from letter A, na-ada na to siya B. So, AB na nga to ang postfix. Then, after B is the division. Division symbol is the operator. So, that's why, ibutang gyapon ni siya nato sa atong stack. But note, if you could remember the rules that I have stated earlier, ang kaning event is under sa rule number 2. No two operators of the same priority can stay together in one stack. Remember that our multiplication and division has the same priority, which is the second priority. So, what we are going to do with this, pop the multiplication here. That's why I highlighted it as red para makita ninyo nga kani siya ang atong ipop. So, the multiplication here will be popped and will be moved to postfix. That's why nakabutang ta diri og multiplication. So, na-update na ang ato ang element na nasa postfix from AB to AB times. And then, na-pop na si times dira. So, assuming that division na lang ang nahabilin diri nga part. So, next symbol would be letter C. Letter C. So, since this is operand, ibutang nila to siya sa postfix. So, na-update na po itong elements nga nasa postfix. From AB times na C. AB times C. And then, our stack remain as is. Then, next symbol would be the close parenthesis. Since this is operator, ibutang nila to siya sa stack. Pagbutang na to siya sa stack, na-update ng elements nga na ani stack. So, as you can see, ang division, nasud siya sa parenthesis. So, remember the rule number 4, any elements nga masud sa parenthesis will be automatically popped. So, here, the division here will be popped. Then, remember, if unsay buhaton nato after popping the element, it will be put to postfix. So, si postfix, na-update na pod ang data ni postfix. So, from AB times C, nadungagan na og division. So, this would be our final answer. AB times C divide. So, this is the answer of the A times B divide C infix to postfix conversion. So, we have here another example. Let me try for another example. Z minus Y times R. So, this is the postfix conversion. So, same process. Mag-start japuntan sa open parenthesis. Then, it is operator. Then, we will put it sa stack row. And then, symbol, letter Z. I-add na to siya sa postfix since it's operand. Then, minus. Ibutang na to siya sa stack. Na-update na ang elements ni stack. And the postfix remain as is. And the next is the symbol Y. Ma-add siya sa postfix since it is operand. So, the elements now of our postfix is ZY. And the next symbol would be multiplication. And sa multiplication, operator man na siya. So, gi-add po siya sa stack. So, our elements nga nasa stack is open parenthesis, minus, and times. While our postfix remain as is. And the next symbol would be R. So, R is operand. That's why gibutang na to siya sa postfix. Then the elements of postfix is ZYR. The next symbol is the close parenthesis. Gibutang na to siya sa symbol. Then, parenthesis is operator. That's why gibutang na to siya sa stack. And if ever you wondered that ang sequence diri is minus then times, but then the final answer is times minus. If ever you have wondered about the final answer, the reason why is because of our rule number 3. Lowest priority cannot be placed before highest priority. So, since multiplication has highest priority than subtraction, that's why our multiplication symbol here is mao nag-una kaysa ni minus. That's why mao ni ang ato ang final answer, ZYR times minus for the postfix conversion. So now let's move on to our last conversion, the infix to prefix conversion, or the OLR. O stands for operator, L stands for left operand, R stands for right operand. So in this conversion, the operators are written before the operands. So sa postfix, the operators are written after the operands. So the prefix is the completely opposite of the postfix. So prefix. So the operators are written before the operands. This is the basic syntax of our infix to prefix conversion. Operator, operand, operand. So here we have common expression like from infix to prefix. So as you can see, ang gauna sa atong expression na karon is the operator, and followed by the two operands, the letter A and B. So to further analyze the conversion, prefix conversion, let us have this another example. A times B divided by C. So first thing we should do is follow the rules, which is the priorities of operators. So first ato pangitaon ang priority of operators, which is the times and the division. But then since si times man ang gauna diri, so si A times B mao atong unahon. So A and B, if we convert it to prefix, it would be times AB. And then next, i-copy ni mo C divided by C. But this is not yet our final answer. So we still need to convert the B divided by C. So now it would be copy the times symbol and letter A, and then after we convert the B divided by C. The B divided by C. So divided by BC. That's why we come up with our answer times A divided by BC. So, another example is z minus y times r. So, let us check why we have come up with this answer. So, first thing, rule number 1, pangitaon na to ang priority of operators. So, if you could still remember the rule, the multiplication has highest priority than subtraction. So, siya atong unahon. Y, so, y times r, mao atong unahon og convert. Y times r converted to prefix conversion would be times yr. And then after, napa si z minus, ikapin na to siya. So, if we convert this one, it would be minus z times yr. So, that is why our final answer is minus z times yr. So, that would be all for now. I hope that you have learned something with my discussion. So, thank you for listening.